The 19th China-ASEAN Expo, which is being held in South China's Nanning City, sets up a special exhibition area for boutique products from the Association of Southeast Asian Nations countries and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership countries. The 4-day expo is themed with sharing RCEP new opportunities, building a version 3.0 China-ASEAN Free Trade Area, as this year marks the first year of implementation of the RCEP Free Trade Agreement.
2021年，中国对 RCEP 其他14个成员国进出口超过12万亿元人民币，比上年增长18.1%，占中国外贸总值的30.9%。今年前8个月，中国对 RCEP 其他14个成员国进出口同比7.5%。RCEP 作为区域贸易投资稳定发展的压舱石和稳定器的作用越来越突出。
South Korea, a member of RCEP, participated in the expo as a specially invited partner. A total of 50 South Korean companies bring products of all kinds.
这次的博览会是所有的 RCEP 的都参加了，所以这个东博会应该是以后 RCEP 时代的最重要的一个平台。今年东博会现在是主要集中在消费品，但是我们的产业合作呢要逐渐扩大领域，全方位，特别是这个工业制造业